I'm pretty sure this is just something mechanical in nature. That's the problem, like I said before with the use it or lose it. Because now, if I turn it on, see, it tries to spin the disc. There's no disc in here. And it moves the laser sled. We'll do it one more time. See, it works every time that way. But if I open it, which now it does immediately, and then close it, now it didn't do it. But if I actually go and move this gear, so there's some sort of limit switch that is not being made. And you can hear when I spin that, that's what the noise is. So it's not the disc itself. Okay, I made some adjustments. Let's see what's going to happen, if anything. Okay. That's a normal behavior. That's the belt there. This has been unscrewed, so it's loose. Oh. Huh. Maybe. I don't know if it's going to read this thing. I might have to go get another disc. There's a lot of like big scratches and crap on it. I want to just try it. Doesn't look good. But it may be unreadable. Oh. And it's not making that at least with this disc. Now it still says load. Now it's rattly. We'll hit open again. It stops now. Uh-huh. Okay, we'll put one of these back in. Oh, see, we were not getting this kind of behavior before. Still doesn't seem to be reading, but again, I don't know. Okay, that was a laser sound there. It's trying something. These discs may be unreadable, I don't know. It's slowing it down. Alright, let's try another one. And if not, I'll get a disc I know is good. In fact, I have some... Well, I don't know if it's going to read them. Yeah, I don't think that's going to read. That doesn't sound good. Yeah, that's not going to work. You know this is serious when I have to break out my wedding DVD. If it doesn't read this, there's something else pooched and I'm done. No, it doesn't look good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! I think he fixed it. Yeah! Let's see. The TV lights up. Okay. I just plugged the cables in. Oh, Dick. It works. Let's jump to the... Well, I can't, actually. I need the remote for this. Next? No, can't do next. There's got to be a way. There's stop. Play. Let's just see. Oh, there we go, folks. It's fixed. Oh, Susan. No, can't do that. Gotta stop there because copyright. How did I fix it? Red can, folks. Red can. That's what I did. Now, we still have a little bit of an issue because the sled and that noise, which that I didn't oil. I hit open. This belt is stretched, but I've proven that it works. I guess we'll try it one more time. Like I said, I don't have anything bolted down in here. What I did is I took the entire mechanism out and I oiled places that move. I also put a little bit of oil on the... Well, maybe it didn't work this time. Or maybe the belt is too stretched. It worked once. Will it open or will it just sit there? There we go. Okay, now it's doing the same crap, but if I kind of can't get to the gear with the disc in there. Damn. Well, I made it work again. And I did. I actually opened it and took the mechanism out. And then I twiddled everything around a bit. Let's go this way a bit. Yeah, power's on. Kind of don't care at this point. Yeah, there he goes. Loading. So it kind of works now. So it was exactly as I said. There was nothing wrong with the laser or anything else. It's just a matter of use it or lose it. It was barely used and stopped working. But yeah, I had the whole thing out and oiled pretty much anything that moves. I put oil on the rails. I put oil on the gears, just a dot. And now it probably doesn't want to read again. Still says load. It worked once. We could try power off and back on. Okay, it liked that much. And then it says it doesn't like that kind. Yeah, well, I did make it work, but oh well. That's too bad. I'm not going to play with it. Like I said, it's not worth anything. I could take it out and do a better oil job. I just did a very, very light job. But I think I'm done playing with it. So anyway, I proved my point. It did work again. It has a vacuum fluorescent display. It's kind of a shame, but I mean, not even HDMI, so this thing is pretty old. There was no date on it, unfortunately. So I think that's going to wrap it up. Not much more I'm going to do except rescue my disc. And I don't know, I'll hang on to it for a while, and that's about it. If I decide to play with it a little more, maybe I will. The belt is an easy fix. You just unhook that and put a new belt on there, and a lot of times a big O-ring will work. Although I did that, and the O-ring I had was just a shade smaller, and it ended up being too tight for it. So it was really straining as it tried to close. But it still works. It's just you got to kind of help it a little bit. But it's better than it not working like it was. So anyway, I got it to work once. So that was nice. For what it's worth. Thanks very much for watching. Oh, incidentally, is anybody actually interested in watching my wedding? Does anybody actually want to see that? Because this runs for like 2 and change hours. And, you know, I could do this as a throwback. That's throwback, right? So I could edit it up. But, yeah, it's going to be a lot of hours sitting there and editing this thing up into, like, segments, you know? I'll have to kind of pick and choose where it is, and they would probably be on the longer side. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. And red can, everybody. It saves lives. Or almost in this case. Maybe it will if I decide to re-oil it. Thanks for watching, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.